I am Babas. My class ID is 2. This is ICP 7. We have given a ICP of Cassandra database. Cassandra Cassandra is a free and open source distributed wide column store. It's a NoSQL database. It is used to handle large amount of data on many commodity servers. It provides high availability with no point of failure. So here is the ICP. We have been given a data set of employee entries, and here we need to create a key space and just use the describe key space keyword to describe the key space and use the key space. And we have given 5 queries to run in the Cassandra. So I have already written all the queries here. So first we need to install Python and Java in order to run Cassandra. So I have already installed Python. I am showing the version here. So I have Python version 2.7. If you use Python version 3, then you'll get a lot of problems. It gets stuck in the middle. So it's better to use Python 2.7. And we need to have Java version 8. So here is the version 8, and here is the Cassandra version 3.11.6. I have already installed these three. So we can just use cd. We need to navigate to Cassandra and go to the bin folder. Here we need to type the command cqlsh, which stands for Cassandra Query Language Shell. And here is the shell. In the shell we need to create a key space. So if you already have a key space with this name, just drop it and create a new one. So here in this I have given the classes simple strategy and replication factor is 1. So here I have created the key space. So you can just use show key spaces. No, it's describe key spaces. So here is my test key space. So I'm using the key space, and here I am creating a table called employee with the fields id, which is of type int and it's a primary key, and there are other fields called name, job date and hire date, which are text. And I am inserting data into the table. So I have given three rows. So here is my table, and I'm just making some changes in the table so that I can execute the given queries. So after I insert manager and salary columns, this is the table. So I'm just updating few fields. So I have added a salary column and a manager column to the table, and I am I have changed the job title of ID1 as clerk, and here I have changed the salary of 45,000 for ID1 and the hire date of ID3, and manager status of ID2. So here are the added values. So the first task which we have given was to show the tables. That's what I have done here. And the second task is to show the job title clerk. So here it is. So for Bob, it's the job title as clerk and his salary is 45,000. And the third task is the hire date is on 2000 of 18th February. So here it is. This is the hire date. The fourth task is to show the annual income and name of all the employees. So this is it. And the fourth task is to show the name, salary and manager of the people who have salary 45,000. So this is it. So we are done with all the 5 tasks, and here is the bonus task. The bonus task is import any data from the given dataset and apply comments like above. So I am importing this dataset called employee entries. So first we need to create a table with the fields. So here are the fields: employee ID, department last name, yes with company, hire date, job title, salary, manager ID. So I have given the same names as those fields. So I'm using the command this command to load the CSV file into the table. As the delimiters are pipe, I gave the delimiter as pipe, and it as it has a header, I gave the header value as true. So I just put it the entire data set into the table. So I'm running this query. So here is the data into the table, and here are some queries. So here I am displaying the last name and salary from the employee where job title is as team lead. Here I am selecting last name, salary and job title where the hire date is of 2000 February 18th. And here I am selecting last name and total salaries of all the employees. And here I am selecting last name, salary and manager ID of the employees with salary 4500. And here I am selecting it's the same thing again. I have run it twice. So that's it with the ICP. And tried indexing I have tried indexing on the table. So it's SASI index. SASI stands for SS table appended index. So here we can use like operator. So here are the last names which starts with G. So the first one is capitalized and the remaining all are not. So this is a bonus point for point 1. Thank you.